I am going to show you how to efficiently grade all your late work on Google Classroom. So if you have a big pile of late work from all kinds of different classes and all kinds of different assignments, I have found the easiest way to do it is to go into my Gmail, start typing the name of the assignment. Here you can see I have a lot of students turned in this assignment late from lots of different periods. So each time I open a particular assignment, I grade all the students' work from that section. Then I go back to my inbox and delete all the emails that pertain to those students' assignments in that section. So say this student, and this student are all in the same section or period. I could delete those emails because I already graded everything in that section.